Hello and welcome. Easy content time. Let's have some fun together. Let's relax and sort trading strategies into a tier list. What do we have? We got momentum, scalping, swing trading, arbitrage, knowing what you're doing, pairs trading, martingale, mean reversion, and breakout. So let's get started. By the way, I hope you have as much fun as I had making this video. And take it maybe with a grain of salt, by the way. And additional side note before we are getting started, nearly every of those strategies we backtested on this channel. So if you want to test those strategies, if they're actually working or have worked in the past, be invited to check out my videos on that one. First up, we got momentum. Strategy focuses on buying assets that are showing upward price movement and selling those that are losing. Can yield high returns in trending markets and is favored due to its clear signals and strong performance. Also has a lot of academic backup, and if you followed my channel, you know we successfully tested or backtested both cross-sectional and time series momentum. Given its effectiveness and popularity, momentum trading a clear S tier for me. Next, we are going to take martingale. Involves doubling down on losing trades to recover losses. You might have guessed I'm not the biggest fan. While it might recover losses quickly, it carries obviously very high risks and can lead to substantial losses if the market doesn't move in your favor. Often considered very dangerous due to the potential for massive drawdowns. Overall, I'm gonna give it a generous D tier. Next up, arbitrage. Strategy exploits price differences between markets or instruments. It's low risk, or in academic terms even no risk, and can almost guarantee profits if done correctly. But requires significant capital and is extremely complex to execute. While effective, practical challenges and capital requirements place arbitrage in the B tier for me, at least for private investors or traders or whatever you want to call them. Next up, knowing what you're doing. Interesting one. Crucial to have a thorough understanding of the markets and instruments you're trading. Reduces the risk of making uninformed decisions and ensures that your strategies are properly optimized. For me, principle is essential for everything. For me, a clear DCBA S tier. Next, swing trading. Strategy involves capturing short to medium-term gains over days to weeks. Perfect for taking advantage of market volatility without needing to be glued to your screen all day. Swing trading offers great balance of risk and reward, making it accessible and effective. So for me, a clear A tier. We did a lot of backtests on swing trading based strategy, by the way, just if you're interested in that. Next up, scalping. Strategy involves making numerous small trades to profit from tiny price changes. When done manually, it's extremely time intensive and more importantly can rack up significant transaction costs. However, with the advent of trading algorithms, scalping can be automated to react faster and more efficiently to market changes. I personally do not have the best experiences with it, and another downside apart from my personal experiences is it requires computational resources and also continuous market monitoring to be truly effective. Given these factors, scalping for me is somewhere between B and C tier. I give it a B tier, but I see it in the middle here, bit below arbitrage. Next up, we got pairs trading. Involves trading two correlated assets by going long on one and short on the other. Market neutral, reduces systemic risk, but it's a complex strategy and requires some statistical knowledge. Strategy can be profitable indeed, but it's rather suited for experienced people. So I'm going to give it a B tier. Moving on, we have the breakout trading strategy. Involves entering positions when the price breaks out of a defined range. Can capture large price movements, which is great for volatile markets. However, risk of false breakouts is extremely high in my experience and can lead to significant losses. Some find it the holy grail. I'm not that convinced of it. For me, it's inconsistent and has a high risk of failure. For me, I'm placing it in the C tier. I also never saw a convincing backtest of a breakout strategy yet, so feel free to share whatever resources you have. But I'm not fully into that, at least as a standalone base here. Finally, we have mean reversion, probably one of the most popular trading strategies. Bets that prices will revert to their historical average. Can be very profitable in specific and ranging markets. Risky in trending markets where prices might not revert for a long time. Additionally, requires precise timing, making it quite challenging also in terms of coding an effective strategy like that. Difficulties or difficult topic overall, but strategy-wise for me, a B tier overall. And there you have it. Complete tier list of trading strategies. As I said, I have a lot of resources on backtesting all of these strategies on my channel. So be invited to check that out. You have to figure out the best strategy for you. Depends on your experience, risk tolerance, market conditions. So be invited to use my content for making better decisions here. That said, I hope this was interesting, if not entertaining, and let me know what you think below. If you want to have more content like that, happy to do. Easy content. So I thank you very much for watching, and I'm looking forward to see you in the upcoming videos. Bye bye.